Your whole term's money story. Revenue, expenses, what's still to collect, on one screen, ready to hand to the board. That's financial reports in your AfrikSabify Finance Portal, right at the top. Total revenue and total expenses side by side, with the revenue versus expenses trend charting how the term has actually moved, not how it felt. Below, revenue breakdown shows where the money came from, and recent collections keeps the latest payments in view. Need something formal? Quick, Reports has them ready. Monthly summary, fee collection, cash flow, even class-wise collection to see which classes are paying and which are lagging. One click on Generate, and it's built. No more stitching numbers together the night before a meeting. Set your books up once, and the reports write themselves, every term, on demand. That's financial reports. Turn it on inside your portal at AfrikSabify.com.